we've seen China doing amazing stuff.
Yeah.
We've seen US doing amazing stuffs. But me who the warrior national science and math quiz are they be every year what it brings from senior high school. So what the yeah. But still technology, IT skills, and maybe also you develop here who as a people. They go on give us. They be national science and math quiz, but these same people will be working on the street unemployed.
Well, we are in a country before a president be approaching musician some maths and science now it favors only the rich people and no more money idea. Obu atebu money idea chen kwalawi.
Agriculture will chroma.
Yes.
We all eat foods.
Very good.
And then ye agriculture craze. Because when they say the agriculture or in class if you want to do let's take the maths and honor or boom and all that. But you can tell that people leading this country, what matter what yen, so now what the money then it's a failed maths.
Yeah.
What will be okosuya fitting, but otumi a car. One national science and maths quiz, but the person has the brains.
Yeah.
And so I feel that. It's all kind of some fucking things.
Yeah. You dog, we go dog you. Pep, pep, pep. If you test, we go test you. Pep, pep, pep. Love me, I go love you. Pep, pep, pep. Show body, we go show you. Pep, pep, pep.
So if you might chop you, you go chop pep, pep, pep.
All be lie. It be set up.
Welcome to Rich.
You made mention of national science and math quiz. Honestly, what do you think about that thing? Do you think that we every day be away? And the consideration carbon dioxide and yama bet looking at what's the right way
the
to
relevance
use?
about that thing?
Like because we've seen China doing amazing stuff.
Yeah.
We've seen US doing amazing stuffs. But me who the warrior national science and math quiz are they be every year what it brings from senior high school. So what the yeah. But still technology, IT skills, and maybe also you develop here who as a people. They go on give us. They be national science and math quiz, but these same people will be working on the street unemployed.
Yeah.
And I work with the more obi boy national science and math quiz or real that or friend and foot soldier and all that.
Yeah.
What is your whole view about this whole thing? Do you think that should it be only science and math quiz and another one for other in being count?
Okay. Well, we are in a country before a president be approaching musician
Yeah.
We are in a country where before you can get access to the top people, I just say a good time first of all, me so amini na music ye me depa ba na de oche me music ni music.
Yeah.
Oba for crochet in the bar musical symbol onim. Obako ye Legon near I think last 4 years now students e Legon music year 24.
Wow.
Amwa kan nyina different things. Fine. You buy a creative space na nkasana. Usually nya make a creative space no attractive for us.
Yeah.
Into so nya choose buy nya djuma. O yes obebo instrument da band nya djuma. Yes, because o papa bi bobi or the ayen sanom. Yen is say rewrite that thing. Yeah. Now, to this maths and science this thing na question. I say omo vocational and organ ha hu hia. Sana ko yesi ya. Because the yen you almost in change.
Yeah.
Somebody say even your people who can so very well, but sadly we in favor. I think say we are on the right path with this. A more money no. Like
but I don't know when you does it come in like physical.
In a nutshell, no. It's time I say the creative aspect ni be rasa initiative we the creative side be rasa initiative we who say okay now talented kids obi timi call Otonyum or can you say, oh, yes, what about the timid drone?
Yeah.
I mean, man, drone, be famous was a color now, pony art, as a honor so entertainment in the pay but to team drones talent or also alake some maths and science na dey no be no it favors only the rich people and no more money made obu atebubu ni made che nkwala we mo but say obetimi a break it through a bedroom can cry problem it's me dey minyaya we are on the right path still because omayama I be initiative now let's fix in other parts other talents. We can do a week way. Your schools we as a Jonte. It's a typical entertainment school. Now some of you don't better maths and science. They be but for entertainment, they be so brave. See, in college, your school. Entertainment side is so we talk the about the be set. Some maths and science. They are so different. We are and can be boy in pan.
So I think Metawasa actually. Inka them is in national science and maths and
overall
one year or a national quiz. Now one for brains are they are superior in other sections. You understand?
Yes.
Because Sebi agriculture will chroma.
Yes.
We all eat foods.
Very good.
And then ye agriculture quiz. Because when they say agriculture or in class if one eduma. We punish you school what's a corner you understand inti you hear that what the baba quiz science and maths and also at the end of the day no, let's take the maths and honor oyen kuntabu and all that but you can tell that people leading this country what matter woyen so now no wodi bomani then it's a failed maths as I say, into your relevance on man mankasa science so it's in a way. Yenyim rocket, yenyim minyim weapon dimpo another proper technology are what you will come. Sabi those that are even doing well in the science aspect, they are people that haven't been in this secondary school. But will be okosuya fitting, but otumi a car. One national science and math quiz, but the person has the brains. And so I feel that the mature and poor it's all kind of some fucking things. Let's come and do the practical bits. Now on improving. But then I've heard of your new song Bangers, and then I think it's a good song. Why not produce it?
Ms. Brainy producing a DDT, a mixer master.
What is it about DDT? I remember DDT.
Oh, dear, Madame Fu. Engineers, I mean, no, my Juma, Smokey Beat, Mr. Leham, DDT Abuchi, and Luigi Boy, and all these people are very good. But DOB are Madame Fu. But you're already in Bia, more already in Bia no nipa, which me are nailing a moment. Auntie, me now for no me miss you see me say reading we made the quabuchi you pay we and the light. It's me no project cry it will be coming up very soon. And see DD me na I couple of projects I mean say Juma we want to beat me I na we who say okay it's brain here but D touch here ebeboa.
All right, like I was saying, you know, I can feel like anytime you have stuff to do with DDT in chemistry, right? Because some Jimmy can cancel an alpha.
Jimmy too.
DDT. No, we are talking
Jimmy too much.
What sort of fucking is in there? But anyway, you know, he's a fancy, so he can't run away from that. Anyway, it's yet say people were say, oh yeah, bangers from Kwame Cancer. Our other platform.
Oh, baby, all streaming sites on platform. Be a Boomplay, Audiomack, Deezer, Shazam, Apple Music, baby.
Okay. When you check for platform, though. I've seen that you'll be having issues with what church? Some Christian people feeling that a church boy now you are not doing gospel and you are now doing secular music.
They are not musically inclined, some of them. And this thing started bare 5 years ago. But see, I said, first, even outside this, no, maybe I'm not a combo some more money. I didn't know yes, I am. But my church, they know money. Said Juma means me. But it got to some time, and I mean, now critics can free or more. But me imagine okay. Then I will do the good music. Make sure no woman they twerk for my videos. Like I mean, hold on, this guy, the smoke levels, not a crack. I mean, I did that for like 2 years, and I'm betting the rhythm he's doing is even nice. And the me, I say, a crack, my fan base no more draws from my sorry.
That's good.
Yes, see there.
Into we pool party events and what's off there.
Mr. Fuama, but
Why didn't you invite him in the first place?
Later, me invited to say, I know say Sunday no be preach first and second service. We cross and come.
Also, you know a chapel boy. Why there you pool party Sunday? I had a Saturday. That's
Sunday has been the ideal day. Like people they come. Yeah, but for information, no, I saw for members need be all pitched up on it or tickets to support.
Okay.
To be because me to take it 5. I'm on Webber.
That's good. That's good. All right. So I think the church should also support. Recently, Akwabi posted say a secular song in a gospel artist. There is no strength in it, spirituality, no, on Shada and your papa. What do you say to that thing?
I don't know, but so a man of God, then I'm in fancy about nim dear or new moon form kakra. Country, the secular musicians now one of the most beautiful gospel songs, secular musicians, starting from Mayday, Marco Mane Mekra, all these songs were from secular artists. And Minyame, Onimdo, Hiame, who told that Juelaka was a gospel artist? No. Now,
CK Man has
dope gospel songs. Now, Yababi Drew, and maybe by na me one church written by Kobana.
Yeah.
Near Sufre Winyame. Now, gospel artists need the worship cover.
Yeah. I'm actually the day you know.
Now, for we now to change. Now, onipa now post this side and me can ye. Screenshot the status cran or say wordly secular. Now, onipa build the app no. How they trust that isn't a believer. Onipa ye microphone na ye nyon BD preaching no. On kwa sorry.
Make a crow use a condom.
But Onipa oye keyboard yeah boy classicals ni tones now gospel for na some of mic number to na onim nyum na me say me bomb ma because me reggae rhythm na ngasa na obo is from the secular side.
Yeah, I understand.
Obi be nyum studio ba Kwame Horns no bono high life rhythm be high life now they ba gospel no now our part and yentimi nwane free the high life rhythm everybody in this country now as I'm not kind the man business crowd and they say how many gospel artists na Uganda ha atron nyum dey achom fellow gospel artists wa ha back in crowd who say gospel artists emuji ye nyum na hima mesi aba be back no only featured artists no it doesn't happen ajo fa BBs etuomka na secular mo say o dey emfa say dey can cry no cry Bible say munko kofa enwan na ayira ne mra no you are sacking them away it has some no kind me I've been in the church. It me started from my sorry, it me frame catch him say, Sumni Hainsia. Isumni Hainsia, no. Dr. Koku attend to me be a chairman. From a don't cobites be a chairman for offering. They say, we don't even know what we are saying.
Yeah, man.
So what I say, and the some kind there for my stand.
I have fucking sense.
He needs to come back again and apologize to us.
All right, guys. So let's listen to bangers from Kwame Cancer. Honey.
Kwame Gonza ndiye school yes abia mashada na men drop him banga me wo bangas bebre ho mungu sakantona Kwame does the same flex Uncle Fredima me posti pa mo share money economy shouts to my fans DKN you are the best gentle so punisher Fred Ben Sachs you no go regrets because to us brain a butching Mr. Leham DDT ni bitora konya one come fine but baby I didn't do no challenge your bluff obi a bisika be se mi mo pede mi agina me nanso na sebre nefa na investors seba na ya sign me page me de mi kosi baby pa e hona me drop him bangers bangers hona me drop him bangers more bangers streets na ye code won't me abodi as a force and you ma me boy yes and then so obi ayi na ni o so come your bana me twerk here me come receive many mu shake here and carbon so obi abe like if ya chim wadan de kwa kosi bana me twerk here me come receive many mu shake here and carbon so obi abe like if ya chim wadan na no nyame show me your mercy DJ Payola nyanko be bua me so where the money na no nyamie show me your mercy radical nyanko be bo me so where the money na sebrebre nafa na investors seba na ye sign me pejam me de me kosi baby pa e ho na me drop him bangers more bangers bangers more bangers e ho na me drop him bangers more bangers
I said the way I was a bangers o chere bibio bangers na bangers. Anyway, guys, this is the podcast here with DJ Paco Rich right here. I'm here with Kwame Nkansah. He said so much on the show. We definitely, think about it. He's made a lot of sense right here on this show. And we're going to, what can I then pull, bro? Drop down the curtains on this particular episode. We definitely come up with more. Now he's coming up with an issues freestyle. We have the part 3 and part 4 coming very soon. The video will be dropping very soon. Until one follow those who are watching for the first time.
Yeah, maybe I'll share Kwame Nkansah for the first time. Big thanks to my big brother Paco Rich. All be lie. All be lie. Everything is set up. And maybe follow me on social media. Baby, Kwame Nkansah ni Medina no. Kwame na nyankrofo ki oni bi. Medina KWEME. Kwame Nkansah ni baby mun follow me na mun stream me nyoma me me YouTube channel Kwame Nkansah official. Nyame nsira mo nyina.
All right, guys. So what I say what you have to do. Go and subscribe, follow Streaming Song. This is not much for him to ask. A young from brother. You understand? Because music now is a big deal or a big business. So one music icon rises from a community. The entire community was ye. You understand? Ashama is an example. Now, anything that comes up with Shaman, and once Stonebwoy speaks, actions are being taken, and they take them serious now. Into Yashawana, one more Kwame Nkansah na investors, they be one brand or pede or my bangers. So a dog is no record. My name is DJ Paco Rich. Follow me on all my platforms. Social media, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, TikTok, everywhere.